Look at that. It's cracked. So I'm gonna take that off. I'm gonna change that part with this one. And there's the cap. Here's the part number for the cap. So we're gonna change that out. I think that hole is just getting bigger and bigger. So we're gonna start by taking off this clamp, here, bolt, and then it should just slide right up. Then we're gonna lose all the fluid in there, but we already have some dexcool ready to replace it. All right, so you see how I'm just gonna let everything come out of this. So I'm gonna put this here and here, you see that? You hear it? I'm just gonna force all of it to go in there, see? Get it to lock. So let's push that back there. Okay, let's get that in there. That was a lot easier to do it like that. Let's do. There's a little hook that this part goes into right here. Okay, so we got that. And let's go ahead and do. Ooh, that thing is hot. Okay, let's do that. Let's move this out the way. Put this back here. So we put that in there. That stops it from moving. We put it in there. This needs to go a little bit more this way. Just gonna put it right where it was at before. Okay. Boom, boom, got all this. Let's just sit that right there for right now. Put the 10mm bolt back on. It's got a little bit. Should take a good amount to fill this up because it has to fill up and then run through the system. Put a little bit extra because I believe it's gonna take that much to go in. I bought the new cap just to have it. Okay, we're gonna start the car. Everything's flowing through here already. See it? This is a surge tank. It's called a surge tank. There's also overflow here. If it overflows from here for some reason, it'll come here and then drip out there. It shouldn't really happen, but you see it's working. Look, it's flowing through. That's what you want to see. We're gonna leave it running, come back and make sure that these levels are fine. Doesn't look like there's any dripping.
Still dripping.
So if you can see,
Yeah.
no, I gotta zoom in from my car. Okay, look at that. Look at that hole.
Oh,
I'm
that
pretty
one?
sure it was leaking from there too. Ain't that something, huh? Poor workmanship, man. New cap. Okay. Alright guys, so I took it around the block. Everything seems to be working fine. This is a 2012 Sonic. I've owned this. First owner from 2012. So that tank is 10 years old. So if you get 8 years out of it, think about replacing it. Because that thing could go at any time. You see how yellow that one is, how clear this one is. It's time to change. Don't wait till it's too late. Like first how it started, it was dripping, and then when I went to the gas station right now, it looked like it was overheating because there was steam coming out, but it was from the so you know, I was gonna wait till tomorrow to do it, but since that happened, I did it today. Thank goodness I drove the car today. That was the first time I drove it today, so good thing I caught it. If not, my wife would have drove like that, and then who knows, she probably would have called me at work saying there's no fluid. You know how that goes. We took care of it. Make sure you like, comment. If you subscribe, that's great. The likes really helps to get recommended. So I appreciate everything, and we'll see you on the next video. Oh, also, this is a 1.4 liter, the turbo model.